Is there any way to actually physically observe the DNA repair? Like, what might somebody notice if they're in ketosis and they're benefiting in this way? So we know ketones may reduce the production of reactive oxygen species. These are nasty little molecules that can induce DNA damage. We also know that ketones can improve the capacity to buffer reactive oxygen species by increasing antioxidant defenses. So while the DNA itself is obviously not visible to the naked eye, the result of less DNA damage should be visible to the naked eye.
What are some preventative strategies that people can take to prevent cognitive decline as they age? One of the things that really has become apparent by our research is that trying to resuscitate neurons that have died is obviously a strategy that is not going to work. There are three really primary strategies that we found, given our own research and the review of the literature, that seem to be the most efficacious. The first is, unsurprisingly, keep your fuel stable. The second strategy is exercise. And then the third is sleep. Most of the cleaning and repairing functions in the brain occur during sleep.
What is the benefit of CMed 100 and exogenous ketones? One of the things inside of all of the Pruvit formulas that we like to do is create a synergy amongst ingredients. CMed 100 is one of the only ingredients that's been shown to help repair DNA, while ketones have a variety of different benefits, both which can help better focus and cognitive performance.